How to unfollow on Twitch. Hello and welcome to TechTube. I'm up with another quick and easy tutorial video on how you can unfollow on Twitch. For that, you'll have to open your Twitch application on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your account. On this interface of your Twitch application, at the bottom you will find various icons. At the left side, you will find the following icon. Make sure you have choose this following icon. Now, under it, you will see this heading called followed categories. These are all the categories that you have followed. Now to unfollow them, you will have to go to their profile by clicking on it, and on this page here at the right top you will see heart button. Click on it and a dialog box will appear asking you if you want to unfollow this topic or category or not. If yes, click on this yes button and you have successfully unfollowed. Similarly, come back and again go to the next profile. Simply tap on that heart button at the right top. Then click on this yes button. So in this way you can unfollow on Twitch. Repeat this process on other categories to unfollow them. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications on more such helpful tutorials. See you in next video. Stay connected.